Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the Google font family that fits your design, then download the zip and extract the TTF or OTT files. Once done, install the files, double-click and install on Windows or add to FontBook on Mac, and then close PowerPoint so it can reload system fonts. You do this now because installing before editing avoids missing font fallbacks later. Make sure to pick only the styles you need to keep file size down, like regular and bold. With PowerPoint restarted, open your deck and go straight to Slide Master. Change title and body fonts there to ensure uniform updates across layouts. Once applied, close Slide Master and scan slides for manual overrides. Use Home Replace fonts to convert any remaining text to your new Google font. This guarantees consistency and saves time. Also test different weights and sizes because web fonts may render slightly different in desktop apps. Adjust spacing or line height if text shifts. Finish by embedding the fonts. File options save and check embed fonts in the file so recipients see the same typography. Once embedded, save and also export a PDF as a backup. PDFs preserve the look reliably. If a recipient still sees a different font, make sure the font was installed on their machine or send the PDF. If embedding fails, clear and rebuild the font cache or reinstall the font. That fix resolves most recognition issues quickly, so you can move on with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.